How to use reports in Lobbytrack.com. Log in to Lobbytrack.com and click on Reports in the top right corner. You will land on the Reports dashboard. You can see the visitor and employee check-ins for the day along with any alerts raised. Scroll down to view the organization details like total number of employees and visitors in your database and the total number of locations. In order to access the other reports, click on the Reports drop-down. The first report in the list is the OnSite Report. The OnSite Report shows a list of all the employees and visitors who are currently signed in and are inside the building. You can use the two filters above the report to customize the data. The first filter lets you select the location, and the second filter lets you select the visitor type, employee or visitor. You will see 4 options at the top right side as well. Email lets you send the OnSite report to multiple email addresses. Export lets you download the report in CSV or Excel. Print downloads a PDF version of the report and gives you an option to take a printout of the report. Send Alert lets you send an email or a text message to all the visitors and employees who are on site. The Alert report shows you watch list alerts and deny condition met alerts. You will see 4 filters in this report. The first filter from the left side is the Date filter. You can select one of the date range options from the dropdown or simply select Custom and use a custom date range. The second one is to select the type of alert. The options include watchlist match denied or deny condition met alert. The third filter is for the location. If you have multiple locations and you want to see the alerts raised in just one of those, you can use this filter. The last report lets you choose whether you want to see just the basic visitor details or all the fields that are in use. Once you set the filters to get the desired data, you can click on the Export option in the top right corner to export this data in Excel or CSV format. The Employee Sign-In report shows you data related to employee sign-ins and sign-outs. You can use the Date filter, the Location filter, and the Fields filter in this report. You can also export the data in Excel or CSV. The Employee Sign-In by Demographic report shows you the number of responses and respondents for each of the fields in the employee form. You can use the Date filter and the Location filter in this report. You can also click on the blue link that indicates the total number and percentage of respondents to run a sub-report. This report will show you the data related to the actual respondents. The Visit Activity Log report is one of the most used reports. This shows all activities related to visitors. This includes sign-ins, sign-outs, auto sign-outs, visit add, visit canceled, visit edited, deny condition, watchlist match, etc. You can use the Date filter, Location filter, Action filter, and the Field filter in this report. You can also export the report to CSV or Excel. The Visitor Sign-In report shows you the data related to visitor sign-ins and outs. You can use the Date filter, Location filter, and the Field filter in this report. The Visitor Sign-In by Demographic report is similar to the Employee Demographic report, shows the number of responses and respondents for each field. You can run the date and filter location in this report, and you can also click on the blue link that indicates total number and percentage to run a sub-report. This report will show you the data related to the actual respondents. The Visitor Sign-In Failed report shows all the failed visitor sign-ins along with the reason for the failed sign-in. You can use the Date filter, Location filter, and Field filter in this report. This is how to use reports in Lobbytrack.com.